Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to find an app called File Manager, and when you find it, click on it. Now click on Try or Cancel in this new feature pop-up, and click on this folder icon next to clock. Then you need to choose Download folder, and as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!